What are you? Where even are my tasks?
So let's see.
I have.
If you press Q, you'll see where the stuff is.
Oh, okay. It's yellow.
Yeah.
My stuff is yellow. Okay. Oh, I have a gun.
Click on it, it'll have tutorials on how to do it. Oh
What was that?
Nothing.
Did you kill somebody?
No. No, she's alive.
Somebody died. No, you.
No, she's alive. If there's a murder, they have to be
Where's
dead.
the gun? They just pocketed a gun.
No, I don't have a gun. Look. No gun. No gun. My hands are up.
Put it.
No gun.
Open your pocket.
I really have my hands up. I have no gun.
Literally, we can see it holstered to your
What
side
do
right
you
now.
mean? What do you mean? I didn't do my task, guys. I have work to do.
Yeah,